Most people put decorative pieces on their consoles. I like to put information. That TV sitting in my dining room shows my family schedule, meals for the week, practice times, and countdowns to things that we're looking forward to. It fits in the room and it looks like it belongs there. And I built it in 30 minutes with AI for free. Products like Skylight, DAKboard, Hearth, the whole category of smart family displays, they run $300 to $700, plus you have to pay for a yearly subscription. This does everything they do, it costs nothing, and I'm gonna show you exactly how I built it. Hi, I'm Chad, and I was just really looking for a way to make my home a little bit smarter. I looked at that TV sitting on the console in our dining room and thought that screen could be doing something for us. I wanted informational functionality built right into our living space, something useful every single day without anyone having to think about it. Here's the thing, we already had systems like we had our fridge calendar, we had family group chats, shared iPhone calendars, all of the things. And I want to be clear, we're planning on keeping all those things still. Until recently, your only options were hiring a developer or buying from one of those really expensive brands, $300, $500, $700, plus a forever subscription on top of that. And after all of that, you still couldn't customize it the way you actually wanted. AI just changed all of that. So here's exactly how I built it. No coding, no technical background required. I opened Claude, and instead of writing technical requirements, I just described what I wanted. I said, I want an always-on family dashboard for my dining room TV, show today's schedule, my daughter's cheer calendar, weekly meals, family to-dos, and a countdown to upcoming events. Make it look like it belongs in the room, and I even dropped in a photo of where the TV was sitting so it could match the room. 30 minutes later, it was done. A warm cream background, dark charcoal panels, farmhouse style fonts. My wife walked in and said, wait, did you hire somebody? Okay, she really didn't actually say that, but in my mind, that's exactly how it went. But here's what matters more than how it looks, and this is the part that most people miss. A pretty display that's hard to update is just a digital picture frame. That's not what this is. So here's everything that makes it work. A Google Sheet to store your data, Google App Script to connect the sheet to the dashboard, Netlify to host it for free, and Claude to build the whole thing through a simple conversation. That's it. 4 free tools, no subscriptions, no hardware to buy. The dashboard connects to Google Sheet. I set mine up with 5 tabs, schedule, cheer, meals, to do, and upcoming events. But honestly, you could build this around whatever your family actually needs. It checks the sheet automatically every 60 seconds. And here's where the ambient information earns its name. When my wife plans the week's dinners, it shows up on the TV. When a new cheer practice gets added, it shows up as well. You check off a to-do, it disappears. Everything just seamlessly gets updated. Nobody refreshes anything, it just works. I put the exact prompts I use plus a complete step-by-step setup guide in the description. No email required, just grab it and build.